From actionable ops, here's how one Hermes spawns 5. Subagent delegation, where each child gets a fresh brain and a narrow job. The Delegate task tool spins up child agents. Each one runs in isolated context, with its own terminal and a restricted toolset, works independently, and sends back only its final summary, so the parent's context stays clean. And Hermes does this on its own when a task is big enough. You rarely have to ask. Here's the one rule that matters. A subagent knows nothing. It starts with a blank conversation with zero memory of your chat. So the parent has to pack everything it needs into the goal and the context. That's why you'll watch it write a detailed brief right before it delegates. The power is parallelism. Hand it a list of tasks and it runs them at once, up to 3 at a time by default. Research 3 topics side by side, fan out a refactor across folders, review several modules together. The results come back in order, no matter who finishes first. To watch it all, open the Agents overlay in the TUI with /agents. You get a live tree of every running and finished child, grouped by parent with cost, tokens, and files touched on each branch. And you can pause or kill one child without disturbing its siblings. Use it when work is parallel or when it would flood the main context, like multi-topic research or a sweeping refactor. One caveat: delegation is synchronous. It blocks the turn and does not survive an interrupt, so for durable, long-running work, reach for cron or a background command instead. It's safe by design. Child agents can't write memory, message your platforms, or delegate again. And there's no blanket stopwatch. A child fails from its own errors or its iteration budget, not a delegation timer. Stuck ones are still caught. You can tune it, route subagents to a cheaper model, cap how many turns each one takes, or, if you really need it, let an orchestrator child spawn its own workers. That's subagent delegation in Hermes, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.